Hi, I'm Steve Spencer from SMB Capital, and today this topic is about a subject that I think anyone who's been trading for a number of years has dealt with on more than one occasion, and especially this starts to crop up during earnings season or during times of great duress in the market, as we've seen recently in 2016, and that's the idea of trading while tired. And so I'm actually shooting this video on Friday after the market closed. It's been an incredibly busy week. The last 2 weeks were really the height of earnings season, and at the same time we're dealing with bear market trading conditions. And so in addition to having a lot of mental energy taken up trading earnings season, trading the gyrations in the market, it seems like every day we're up and down a few percent, in dealing with other firm things, there's a lot of energy that I've expended by the time we get to the end of the week. And I knew coming into today that I just wasn't 100%. And so just a few things to think about that I think about for myself, advice for others, what we can do when we're fatigued. The first thing is scale back your size. Your reaction time isn't going to be as good. And even if you're tired, but you feel like you still can manage risk appropriately, then when you initiate positions, initiate with a little smaller, wait for things to kind of unfold and set up, and then scale back to the size that you're used to trading with. One of the things that I can do, one of the great things that we can do with our technology, is I can automate more of my processes. And I do that anyway, but it becomes more important as I'm fatigued, because it's not as easy for me to flip from stock to stock, from idea to idea, as things are unfolding. And so automate my ideas before the market opens, make sure that the technology is working for me, and we'll take a little bit of a look at that. Trade less momentum. Now look, in a bear market, when the market's going up, going down, that's one of the harder things to avoid, but every day, there are stocks that set up and that are slow moving during the day. You watch them consolidate, they're being accumulated, they're being distributed. Find a slower setup that doesn't require as quick reaction time. That's going to be helpful. Get up, walk around, get some fresh air, clear your head. And these are things you should do every day anyway. We know that sitting in front of a computer screen 12 hours a day is not the healthiest of activities. And so every day you should be getting up and stretching your legs, walking around, getting the blood flowing. But it's one of the things that certainly can help you as you feel a little bit droned out at your desk. And then the other thing is, if you actually observe a large drop-off in performance, the open happens, you trade the first 90 minutes, you notice that you weren't taking advantage of opportunities, you weren't executing the way that you would like. Work on other things. Work on your trading playbook. Work on building more filters, automating your processes, spending time reviewing your day, planning ahead. There's other things that you can do other than making a trade every minute of every hour of every day. So today there was a few things. I'm going to give you some examples of how I was able to use technology to take advantage, things I would have missed because of my fatigue, and also things that I punched up and actually missed because of my fatigue. So the first one is the stock is Soon, has been in a downtrend for a while, solar stock. It's something that there have been rumors floating around the last couple of days that they might declare bankruptcy. And I looked at the chart last night, and at below $2, I just wanted to be shorted. Negative news flow, bankruptcy rumors floating. It's a very simple trade. Gets below $2, you get short. You're not really risking more than 5 or 10 cents. The stock could go down to $1 or lower. So my alert goes off, $2. I think it was around $9.45. I saw it. I actually didn't put in my automation or my script to take the trade, and really was just fatigued. My brain, I saw the stock. My alert went off. I said I need to be short this below 2. Next thing I knew, the stock was down at $1.75 and I wasn't short. I actually have a script specifically for the scenario. It's basically when it gets below my price, it shorts however many shares you want to short. It puts in a stop, a percentage of the ATR above where it gets short, and I'm done. So I didn't actually enter that script, and so that's kind of how slow my brain was in the first 30 minutes today. And it actually worked out pretty well. You can see it went down to $1.40, never ticked back above $2 once it got below. The one that I actually did take advantage of, and this is because I put my script in before the market opened, was Trip. It reported earnings yesterday, very nice, had a gap up, held the gap. We knew that 58 was a key level in the stock, and it came down this morning around 10 o'clock. I didn't have to do anything. I got an alert that I was long. This script is actually what I call a pullback buy, and basically what it does is when it gets to my price, it sweeps in, pays the offer up to a limitable marketable order. It gets in, it automatically puts in a stop. My first stop is usually where I'll hit out of the majority of my position if it trades against me, and then my second stop is the remainder of the shares if I was really wrong. And then the other thing that I like about it is I have one target for profits where I can take off 20-30% of the position if the trade is working for me, and that way I know my risk is covered once it works out. So this actually helped me quite a bit today. I don't think I would have traded this particularly well or even seen it as I was doing other things. And so I took advantage of technology. So look, the market is very crazy right now. There's a ton of volatility every day. And what we want to do is understand that we're going to be fatigued at times, and we want to be self-aware about that and kind of take some steps to make sure that we don't take unnecessary losses or outsized losses when that's the case. So hopefully some of these ideas will help.
Become a member of our trading community by joining SMBU Premium. Each month, as a community, we'll work together to improve our trading with a shared hour of learning. On our trading desk in New York City, the best traders continually grow. In fact, the best traders trade to grow. SMBU Premium is packed with 12 webinars, one a month, focused on market-specific trader training that will help you become a better trader by the end of the month. Invest in yourself, invest in your trading. As I wrote in the playbook, tomorrow you can be better than you are today. SMBU Premium, how good can you be?